Look around your gym. What do you see? 100 people lifting, 100 plates clanging, 100 dreams of a stronger body. But in 6 months, 90 of them will look exactly the same. They follow influencers. They chase the pump. They blame their genetics. But the real problem? They are building muscle in the dark ages. They are guessing, while the blueprint for growth has already been written by science. Today, we erase bro science. We delete the myths. We download the peer-reviewed, evidence-based, biologically proven operating system for your muscles. This is not about working harder. This is about working smarter than your DNA thinks you can. This is the scientific muscle blueprint. Forget the idea of building muscle. That metaphor is wrong. You are not a sculptor. You are a demolition expert. Every single rep you perform creates controlled damage, microscopic tears inside muscle fibers. This is not failure. This is step one. Now your body makes a decision. It can rebuild weak or it can rebuild stronger. That rebuilding process is called muscle protein synthesis. At the same time, another process is always active: muscle protein breakdown. Your entire progress depends on one equation. Muscle protein synthesis must be greater than muscle protein breakdown. If synthesis wins, you grow. If breakdown wins, you shrink. You control this equation using 3 levers: training, nutrition, and recovery. Miss even one of them and you are just making noise in the gym. The old rule said lift heavy to grow. The new rule says lift intelligently. The main growth signal is mechanical tension. That is force applied to a muscle while it is stretched under load. But tension is not the only signal. Science shows 2 more powerful drivers: metabolic stress, that deep burning pump, and muscle damage, those microscopic tears you create with control. The smartest training targets all 3. This is progressive overload. Your body only adapts when demand increases. You can increase demand by lifting more weight, doing more reps with the same weight, adding more total sets, reducing rest time, or increasing time under tension. Time under tension is where science meets art. Lower the weight slowly. Control the stretch. Let the muscle work. Training muscles in their longest positions produces stronger growth signals. Deep squats, full range presses, controlled pull-ups. Do not just move weight. Stretch muscle under load. Now understand this. Going to failure on every set destroys recovery. The science shows a better approach. Stop 1 to 3 reps before failure. This keeps intensity high without burning out your nervous system. Volume also matters. More is not better. Better is better. 10 to 20 sets per muscle per week is the optimal range for growth. Spread that volume across multiple days. Consistent signals beat once a week destruction. Training sends the order, nutrition delivers the materials. No materials means no growth. To build muscle, you need energy. A small calorie surplus, 250 to 500 calories above maintenance. More is not faster growth. More is just more fat. Protein is non-negotiable. 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. But timing matters. Distribute protein across 3 to 4 meals. Each meal should hit the leucine threshold. Leucine flips the muscle building switch. Around 2.5 grams per meal. Whey protein, chicken, eggs, carbs fuel training. They refill muscle glycogen and protect protein. Fats support hormones, including testosterone. Balance matters. This is where most people fail. You do not grow in the gym. You grow during recovery. Sleep is the most powerful anabolic tool you have. During deep sleep, growth hormone rises. Repair accelerates. Fat metabolism improves. 7 to 9 hours is not optional. Less than 6 hours lowers testosterone and raises cortisol. Cortisol destroys muscle. Stress management is muscle building. Walking, relaxation, mental recovery. This is not motivation talk. This is biology. Listen to your body. Muscle protein synthesis stays elevated for up to 72 hours. Train again too soon, and you dig a deeper hole instead of building muscle. Once fundamentals are solid, advanced tools can amplify results. Drop sets push metabolic stress beyond failure. Blood flow restriction creates massive signals with light weights. Slow eccentrics increase tension and muscle damage. But never let tools replace basics. Now let's destroy myths. Light weights do not tone. Heavy weights do not bulk. Muscle grows when fibers are pushed close to failure. Soreness is not growth. Pain is not progress. Women will not get bulky. Hormones prevent that without drugs. More protein is not always better. There is a ceiling to muscle protein synthesis. Science has limits. Respect them. Muscle building is not a 30-day challenge. It is a biological long game. Progress is small wins. More control, more strength, better recovery. Consistency beats motivation. Genetics set the ceiling. Your discipline decides how close you get. This is the difference between working out and training, between guessing and knowing. The next time you enter the gym, you are not just lifting weights. You are a biochemist controlling protein synthesis, an engineer applying mechanical tension, an architect building tissue with precision. The science is clear. The path is proven. The only variable left is you. If this changed how you see training, hit like, subscribe for deeper systems, smarter programming, and real progress. Comment your biggest takeaway. Now go apply the blueprint, recover properly, and evolve.